Welcome to my eyebrow tutorial. In this tutorial, I will just show you how I do my eyebrows. I am showing you the cleanup here, which I don't do every single day, but this particular day I did need a little eyebrow cleanup, so it was perfect. So you can see that as well. I love plucking my eyebrows. It's super satisfying for me. And I do have like those little razors that some girls have for the eyebrows, and I do clean up the top sometimes because I do have that like eyebrow and it blends in with my hairline, so I use that sometimes to cut that so it's not so obvious, but I think I was fine today. But here I'm plucking just underneath. I'm not plucking in between my eyebrows or on top, just under, to have a nice clean area for my eyeshadow. Next, I will be using this spoolie, which I got from like a Benefit Cosmetics brow tint thing, and I just kept it. So I will be using this to clean out my brows on top and just smooth everything up and get started for when I have to fill in my eyebrows so I can see where all the hairs are. Once they're all ready, I will take a dark brown pencil. My favorite one that I've been using right now is the Ben Nye dark brown pencil, and I bought this a while ago when I wanted to take a special effects makeup, and I bought the whole kit, and then it ended up not working, so I just kept all the stuff that came in the kit, in the Ben Nye kit. And this brown pencil, I love it. I use it every time for my eyebrows. So here I'm just drawing a line under the eyebrows, and I'm overlining them, so I'm making the line a little bit lower than my actual hairline just to create a little bit more thickness. And then I do this messily. It doesn't have to be perfect because I will clean it up later, so I just blend everything up. Next, I use this clean spoolie and I blend everything out kind of like a brush, just to airbrush it out to make the eyebrows look nice and filled in. Then I take this NYX Precise Lift and Snatch. It's like a brow tint. It kind of looks like an eyeliner. It's very sharp at the end and it's perfect for creating fake hairs. So this is what I use for my eyebrows to fill in the area that I don't have hair, which is the end. Towards the end of my eyebrow, there are no hairs, so I create some just to make it a little bit thicker. Once everything is all nice and snatched, like the pen said, I grab my Got To Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue. I put some on my hand. I get the same spoolie from the beginning, and I rub some on the spoolie and then just start to comb my hair straight up and making them just stand as much as possible. It's okay if it looks weird at first. I just keep adding more every section of the eyebrow, and it looks like there's some white on there because of the gel, but it actually goes away after a while. It's just because I keep moving it around. Once all of the hairs are standing up, then I will take some concealer to clean up underneath the eyebrow. I do this right after because I want the glue to dry a little bit. So I do something else while it's drying. Same thing with like the mascara. So this is the concealer I use, the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. I've had this forever. It has like a peachy undertone, which is interesting. I got a little bit like scared when I saw it when I first bought it because I thought it was going to be regular concealer, but it had like a peach tint to it, which makes sense for under eyes. But it works perfectly fine and I love it. It's almost gone. So I just follow and create the line that I want underneath the eyebrow and blend it out with the brush. And to blend it in a little bit more, I'll go in with my finger after to blend in the rest. Then after doing one eyebrow, as you can see I only did one, I stop what I'm doing and I go and lay down the hairs from the eyebrows, because if I wait too long, the eyebrows will stiffen up and I won't be able to do this and make them go down. So I only have enough time to do one eyebrow, to clean up one eyebrow underneath after I have to go and clean this up. So I already have that in my head. It's part of my routine now. And that of course was trial and error because I did mess up and like left it too long one time. So then after that I go back and I conceal underneath the eyebrows again. I finish up with the other eye I didn't finish. Honestly, this is super satisfying for me. I love concealing under the eyebrow. I find it very satisfying to clean up that area. It's my favorite. So here they are, all complete, all snatched, all done. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new about how to do your eyebrows. Let me know if there are any other videos or makeup looks that you would want me to do. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.